it's actually something very exciting. I'm going to be setting up something about camping. Jessie's not here for some reason, so that's why I'm going to be doing it. It's camp stage 2 in the book. I'm going to be showing you everything we need for a tent. Some things are already set up outside in the woods. Okay, let's start. I'll plop this. Wait, so my bag is the flower bag. Jessie's bag is the pirate bag. I'll plop it over here. Over there. Okay, so the book will be over here as well. My bag has this flower blanket. The flower blanket can keep me warm whilst I'm sleeping at night time. I'll plop that over there. Now this one is I think this is the top one for the whole top tent. It will keep me dry whilst I'm sleeping. I'll plop that over there as well. Sorry, I'm plopping that over there. And this should be, maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, it's definitely the other way around. This is the top tent and that is the bottom tent. Okay, so top tent and that's the bottom tent. I'll put it over there. That's the end of the bag. So I'm going to be doing Jessie's bag now. It's mainly the same stuff. One less thing. This is a bit different. It's the top tent instead. It's not very waterproof, but it will keep you dry. I'll plop that over there so we don't get mixed up. The bottom tent is this. It's this green bottom tent. I'll put that over there as well. That's the end of Jessie's bag. Hi guys, welcome back. Now, you may be wondering, why do I have a bag in front of me? Yes, I know you're thinking that. It's because Brown Owl had told me that I should tell you what to bring for a camping. You may bring other stuff, but these are just some ideas. I would bring a toy, so then I can play with it when I'm bored. That's number 1. I will need to bring a pillow so I can sleep on it. That's number 2. Number 3 will be, you obviously have to bring pajamas. Then how can you sleep? Not in your clothes, of course. Another thing to be warned, you can bring a book. I really like to listen to his dark materials. That's why I've got this one. If there's some shops nearby, you would bring some money. And obviously, to take gentle hygiene, you need to brush your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. That's the end of packing. But there's some things I need to tell you. Some people may want to bring, say, their bed to camp. They may want to bring all their toys. Just one simple toy is enough. They may want to bring a radiator. Obviously, you can't bring a radiator. If you're camping out for one night, you need to bring, obviously, simple things like your pajamas. Not all your pajamas. Now, I'm going to be putting these back in and suggesting more ideas. You may not want to bring a whole sink. Why would you do that anyway? Why would you also bring, say, a pitcher? Why would you do that? Why would you bring, all your books? I'll keep on packing. Why would you bring, not everything? Why would you bring your whole house? Bye for now. Hi guys, we're now outside and I have already made my campfire. Follow me. Now we're in the tent. You can see me. I'll take my shoes off. I'm going to show you how to keep everything in order. Firstly, we always need to have the pillow. Drop it there. Get your blanket. Do it this way. Okay? Now, you should put it about there. Plop your pillow on top. It is a bit dark in here. Too bad you can't pack a light. Okay. I'll have to take the pillow out. I made a mistake. Put that in like that. Perfect. The mistake is done. And already there. That will be perfect for now. Plop the pillow on top. Get any cuddly toy and put it on your pillow to keep safe. Obviously, we don't need the pajamas yet. It's not night time at all. So plop the pajamas over to the side. If it's night time where you are, then just put your pajamas on. It's fine. Extra things go to the side. Remember the money? Again, toothbrush and toothpaste. That's everything done. Welcome back. Now we're looking at fire. I just came out of my tent. What In the olden days, they used to have a few twigs in a pyramid shape. Now, nowadays, we have these things. The other night, I had made a fire, practicing by making eggs from our chickens, which are over there. We have to put the sticks at the bottom and everything we need. Then the fire will be turned on. But what we need is we always need some water nearby. I don't have it. Because when the fire is going, then you can just put on the back of the lid and it blows it all out. In the olden days, they just also blew it out themselves. At night time, I will use a torch. I don't have one right now. Bye, guys. What are you doing, guys? This is a one-person's tent, not a lots of people tent. Now, I'm going to have a little nap now. That's probably the end. So, it's a lovely sunny afternoon, and that means that it's time for a little rest. Now, you can leave me alone. Bye. Shoo, shoo, bye.